Hey everyone and welcome back. So if you've got a web project on GitHub and want to host it online for free with automatic deployments using Vercel, in this video we're going to show you how to set it up step by step. We'll link your GitHub accounts, configure build settings and environment variables, and get your live URL up in minutes. So firstly, let us connect your Vercel account to GitHub and select the repository you want to publish. So head over to Vercel, log in by using your GitHub account right over here. I'm just going to use mine, continue. And once you're on the main dashboard, you need to click Add New button in the top right corner and select Projects. Add New Projects. And Vercel will list your public and private repositories. Just locate your project and click Import next to it, right here. If you don't see repositories listed, click Adjust Authorization at the bottom of that list to give Vercel access to specific repos or an entire GitHub organizations. And next, let's review your project settings and secret keys before launching the site. So Vercel automatically detects popular frameworks like Next.js, React and others. So double check that the framework preset dropdown matches your project type. So you just drop this down and choose the one you need. If your project relies on API keys or private credentials, expand environment variables section, this one here, and type in your variable key and value, click add and repeat for all required keys. Once everything is filled out, click the big deploy button right here and just wait a few seconds while Vercel builds your project. That is it. Wait for it to finish and you're good to go. Enjoy.